This is an absolutely insane weather. We expected to have an orange alert today. We just did a video for you guys of what's happening in Benidorm, but this is the night. You'll see it in the morning. Oh my world, that is bizarre. It's literally going towards the promenade. It's eaten all the accesses. This is a bizarre weather. This is insane. And you are the ones who get to see what's happening. This is what we are seeing this evening, and then obviously you'll see what's happening in the morning in Benidorm town. Absolutely bizarre weather. Waves of 4 meters high and higher, and the beach does not exist. This is just a part of the storm that's all over the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean here in Spain. And I think it's a storm Harry, and it's coming everywhere. Look at the giant waves. It is dark outside because the sun set down already. It's around 8 p.m. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely incredible. What in the world is that? We rarely see these types of waves out here, and people, brave ones, are heading here around the area. We passed through this area all of a sudden. We were not planning on filming this part of the video for you guys, just the morning part, but we had to go because we've passed with a car, and my husband's telling them, no, all the locals, they know each other. And this part right here where people were walking, it's a brand new side. It's been a few years here, but this collapsed 4 or 5 years ago maybe. This collapsed because of this type of storm. This is what's happened last time, and look at this, there's so many stones even here. Oh my god, this comes from the beach. This is from the beach. Like all this water that you see, this is not rain, this is from the beach. You can see the foam, you can see all the pebbles and stones, and some stones are quite big, and all the entrance towards this apartment building is flooded. Oh my goodness. People are going fast as they can, so they will be able to pass all this area before the water actually comes here. But this is absolutely incredible and unbelievable. All this part is eaten by the water. There's no beach right there at the bottom. Usually there's the beach part. There's no beach at all, like at all whatsoever. Oh my goodness. Wow. And here, seawater, a lot of stones, and some of them are quite big. Look at this. Like, this is no joke. If you're driving a car or if you're walking and the wave comes and these stones are just flying at you, well, this is gonna hurt. At least, the least thing is that it's gonna hurt. Wow, this could actually be a very bad thing for vehicles and for people who are walking, but who in their sane mind would walk here? Says the person who's filming it for you guys. Yeah, of course. Oh my god, this is like very fierce. There's no beach out there. Look at this. All the stones are here, but there's no beach. There's usually beach like at least 4 meters in the water, but there's nothing. It's like the sea. Oh my god. Last time all this area was eaten up too, so these are all brand new like bridges to go towards the water. But oh my world, this is absolutely bizarre weather. And now this is what happened in Benidorm. The waves are still very, very strong, so we have to be careful, but all the sand is being eaten here, and that's a shame because in just a few days ago what they did is clean all the beach and prepare it, but now there's no sand left anymore. Like, look at that. All these platforms, old accesses for boats, all this area, all the stones are being lifted up. All this part, there's no sand anymore whatsoever. There's nothing. And there's still quite some strong waves in this part, and they're gonna be here probably throughout the day of today. Maybe hopefully by tomorrow it's gonna be all gone, but at night this was so bad. And look to where the water came. You can actually see it. You can see where the usual sand is and where like the sea sand is. You can see that it's absolutely flat and it's grayish color, right? That's because of the water. So you can actually see how close it went towards the promenade, and that's our footsteps. Well, my husband's footsteps. This is, oh my goodness, it ate all the beach. All of it. Look at this. It went towards the promenade. Oh, wow. Rarely we see things like these in Benidorm town. Honestly, it's not a common thing to see. Rain is not even a common thing to see here inside of the city. So when we see things like these, we're always very, very surprised because you do not expect to see these things normally and typically when you are in town. You can see up till where the water actually came, and boy, it's the whole Levante beach. Oh my word, it's good that there were no sunbeds. Oh, we're lucky. Usually there's sunbeds here, you know it, and there's sunbeds and umbrellas. So if those would be here, we would find them floating in the sea probably. Wow. The promenade's looking all right. Nothing major out here. There's police cars, obviously, passing by because, well, it's a very strange weather and they need to see that everything's fine. There's no one in the sea, you know, there's no giant stones, there's nothing broken. They always check it out. It's morning time, it's early morning, so 10 a.m. So they always check what is going on, and if something needs to be done, it's done. Look at that. The water literally came up until here, up until the promenade. I would even dare to say that the water might even have touched the promenade. It's just that now it's all cleaned up. But boy, this is insane. And of course, the lifeguard cannot go there because his stool, his chair is inside of the water, so he cannot access it. And I was like, what do? I cannot literally go there. Look at this. That's an interesting scene. Good that there's no stones in this area. There are some at the beginning, but it's not like a pebble beach. There's no stones in the water. Not like Altea or Albir. In those particular areas, there's stones literally everywhere. Yellow flag today, not a red one, huh? That's brave. Yellow flag today, you see it. Quite a lot of people here on the promenade. There's a lot of people curious as us, same as us. People want to see what's happening. People want to see what happened after yesterday, because I know a lot of people who are staying here now. Our subscribers told us in Instagram or on Facebook. Follow us there if you don't just yet. Instagram and Facebook. We do have the Facebook page and we have an Instagram account. So all this, people were able to see it yesterday and they were in a complete shock. They were saying like, Anna, we're sitting on the terrace of the hotel and we see all these massive waves. Oh my God, what's going on? People were writing us messages, quite a few. So it was actually cute for people. It was shocking thing to see. It's not a usual typical weather. And it's not that we've had an extreme wind beforehand. So it was like all of a sudden, out of nowhere. But that's parts of the storm that's hitting all entire Spain now. I know in the north parts of Spain, there's a lot of floods because of extreme rain. And there's even waves up to 8 meters high. 8 meters. That's incredible. That's Atlantic Ocean side. Galicia, País Vasco, out there up north. Here in Mediterranean, obviously, we're not usually getting these types of waves. So what we get is 4-meter waves, half of it, but it was still enough. In the first part of the video that we filmed you guys, once again, we didn't plan on filming it, but we were here. We were at the moment, in a specific moment, in a specific place. We've seen it and we decided it's important for us to show it to you guys. Something that we've not seen in quite a few years, I have to say, which is why for us it's also a bizarre series of events. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's way, way more flooded than what it usually is. It's connecting with the sea, which is normal when there are strong waves. The water always comes up to this area and there's like kind of a lake that builds up here. Birds love it. Seagulls. and they just swim in it like it's a lake, and then it's gone in a few days' time if it's not raining anymore. But wow, this is way wider and bigger than what it normally is. You can see how big the waves should have been to actually come to this area. That is a big strength out there. And that's just the Mediterranean Sea. Imagine it being Atlantic Ocean. We wouldn't have any beach anymore, probably. We might not even be having the promenade if it would be Atlantic Ocean, let me tell you guys. But see, there's a seagull out there having a lot of fun. No waves in this area, but look at that. It's almost up until the promenade. Like, there's literally nothing left. I'm wondering how in the world do these garbage bins, how did they remain to be here? How did they just end up in the sea if the waves came towards this part? It's all the beach. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's quite a big storm that we've had out here. Woo. And now this water, either they'll just leave it here up until it just vanishes for itself, because it's quite deep, or they will just bring it with like machinery, big machinery, it back into the sea and leave all this area to dry out naturally. We'll see what they will do. In any case, this is quite big, and there's a lot of waves still. Look at that. Wow. Someone's brave enough to walk near the sea. We learned our lessons. We're not doing that, but we're nearby to show you as much as possible. Many people here on the promenade, actually quite vivid. It's not empty at all, but it's packed with water. Wow. It looks beautiful, not gonna lie, but it's definitely quite a lot. Oh my goodness. And it wasn't even raining that much. It's all because of the waves. That's the thing. It's all because of the waves. It's all seawater practically. It was raining in Altea a little bit. Not too much, not pouring rain. In Albir it was raining a tiniest bit too. Probably even in Benidorm just a little bit, if at all. But all this is the job. See, here it's also humid. So probably it even went up until the promenade, almost for sure. Wow. That is something else, definitely. Let us know if it's common in your area. I know maybe some other countries who are on the same storm's path might be experiencing very strong wind or really strong waves. Let us know. Here it's definitely uncommon, and we are very surprised each time we see something like this. We'll read you in the comment section. Stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in this evening's video as usual. Goodbye.